Of all the crazy things I've built over the years, this one has gotten the most use by a wide margin. What is it, and how do you build it? I call it the Standie because it lets children or dogs stand at counter height and ostensibly help out, though they may actually make an adorable mess instead. It takes about 2 hours to build. Let's see how. To build this, get a hold of a bunch of 1x lumber. It can be 1x4, 1x6, or whatever you happen to have available. It can be any sort of shape you like because you're going to paint it when you're all done. Step 1 is to build this rectangle right here and this rectangle right here. They should be identical rectangles. Step 2 is to run these vertical pieces from top to bottom and bottom to top. Just screw them in with some drywall screws. Step 3 is to add the cross bracing. This piece here and that piece right there should be level, so be sure that you stick a level on there when you're building it, and same thing for this one. Step 4 is to get a hold of and cut some plywood to size. This should be the inside dimension of your rectangle here. Make sure that this is 3/4 inch or 1 inch plywood, so it'll have a little more weight bearing capacity. Then you also want to add these fairing strips that you see on the back right here, and the dimensions of those will be clear in just a moment. This fits tightly inside this rectangle right here, and then those fairing strips fit just on the outside of your cross members. The reason that these cross members had to be level is you want this to be a level surface. You can also put in as many cross members as you like here, because you can take this out and change the height of the whole thing. So as your children get taller, you can put it at a lower and lower level. Next step, add any extra cross members that you want. This one here is for structural stability and to keep little feet from slipping out. You could put one on the other side as well. The two places that you do want to keep open are the sides here, so that the kids have somewhere to get into the whole thing. Next step, paint it all up nicely. Don't feel bad about repainting as the years goes on, because this is going to get a lot of abuse. Last and final step is to build an optional set of stairs for this thing. As the kids get older, they won't use this, although they might use it to get up to brush their teeth. But when I had really little kids, they liked to use this to get up into the Standie because it was a little too tall for them. These are just some pieces of wood from the attic. Since they had nice grains on them, I went ahead and put some floor lacquer on it so that it would look a little bit nicer. It gave it a stain and a lacquer at the same time. And then this here is just some extra particle board that I had. If we turn it around here, you can see inside there are little brackets, little pieces of wood really, that are holding up each of these stairs, and then the whole thing is screwed together. Let me know what you think in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more unique and useful do-it-yourself builds.